Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow compositor is speaking. Short video on the ADA and the USD pairing. It looks like it is continuing the momentum to the upside. We're just going to do a brief update on what we've already explored. Hopefully, we'll leave a link for that. If you have time, just watch that and come back. So this way, what we're going to explore in this video will make more sense to you. So let's get right into it. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. All right. And welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's September the 4th, 2021, and the current price of ADA and the USD pairing. Take a look at the Kraken chart. $2.92, slightly negative 1.5% for the day. All right, guys, kindly ignore or enjoy any festivities in the background, a little bit of noise. Thank you kindly. All right, here's the chart, guys, weekly format. Okay, so yeah, in the last video, so far, so good. It's aging fair. We do have a price target of $3.58. Will it make it to that level guaranteed? I don't know. Don't hit that buy button based on me saying that's a price target. The one thing that we were exploring on the charts were we were looking at the RSI comparison to the price action. The extreme volatility, if you didn't watch the previous video, it just simply means as long as the price is staying above $2.33, it will likely continue higher. Now, one of the interesting things that I did find in the chart was, of course, the bearish divergence. If you're new to technical analysis, just simply means that there may be more selling pressure than buying pressure, but it's not official. Let's let the markets continue to develop before we make any assumptions. But so far, I was able to verify two touch points. If you notice the red X here in the price action here near the February 2021, and we also have another X at this level right about here. Okay. On May the 3rd, 2021. I'm pointing this out for a reason, guys, so stick with me here. And also we have a check mark on this ascending line. Okay, again, if you're new to technical analysis and you're trying to figure out what a bearish divergence is, the price will go up as it's finding resistance at that ascending line. Okay, it does have the potential to go to that line or break through it. Okay, but the RSI just below the price, this is just measuring the relative strength of the market, how much buying and selling is going on. It's actually finding resistance at a descending line, correlating with the price. That's actually not good. But the good thing that I actually noticed is actually zoom in here on the RSI is this is a potential breakthrough of the resistance level. Guys, if you take time to master support and resistance, I can assure you, you will thank yourself for life if you want to understand technical analysis or just have a basic understanding of it. Master support and resistance, or get close to it. Never master it because you always want to continue to advance your knowledge there. Okay, let's continue. So if you notice this green circle, I'm actually looking at a breakthrough. Now, the reason that I'm not going to say it's official just yet is because we do have an active weekly candle here on the chart. These are weekly, again, the weekly format here. We have about a day and 9 hours to close. So this could go one of two ways. I mean, it could go continue to consolidate sideways, right? Continue to just kind of consolidate sideways because it's taking a breather. It can't take too long, though. And then it, of course, proceed higher to reach the substantially higher targets because our conservative price target is $3.58. Okay. But as far as I'm concerned, the market is in an overall uptrend, very aggressive, very obvious overall uptrend. And as long as it's staying above the previous level of resistance, that's all we go over on the chart in the channel here, $2.32. I realize it's well above that level, but just in case you get some volatility to enter the market, you have to be prepared, guys. Have a plan. If it goes down to $2.32, as long as that level can hold a support, everything is just fine. And in fact, in that case, if that were the case, that may actually put a lot more buying pressure in the market because the sellers, by the way, if you're new, I'm only looking at buyers and sellers. And in this case, kind of the explanation of the story behind what would take place if the market moved down. It's going up, and the sellers are obligated to get the price back below the previous level of resistance in order to show some sort of attempt to take control of this overall uptrend, okay? But if the sellers are unsuccessful in pushing the price below the previous level of resistance, assume that the overall trend is still your friend. It is to the upside, okay? So find support at the previous level of resistance. Yeah, it's just going to tick the buyers off, and they're just going to explode the price higher. All right, but that again, that one thing I do think is worth mentioning, it is appearing to have a pierce through. I'm not sure if it's an actual official breakthrough just yet, but this is a good sign for the bulls that there may be more buying pressure incoming in the market, and we haven't seen anything yet. All right. So, yep, slightly negative day, potential bullish, momentum still continuing here in the market. So let's summarize the video. I know some may want me to give you like particular levels in terms of like where to buy, where to sell. Unfortunately, I can't do that, guys, because I'm not licensed to do that, first of all. And it's better to have a better understanding of price action. This way, moving forward, you won't need me. You'll just pull up your charts and you'll find your resistance and support levels. Let's actually pull up the lower time frames. Maybe we could see something else. Okay, so I pulled up the 12-hour time frame. Let's just see if we can find any, double tops, double bottoms, or higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so let's close this video out. I'll give you guys just one level. All right, so far what I'm seeing here on the 12-hour candles is the previous level of resistance is going to be somewhere near this level right about here. So that's going to be like kind of smack dab where it is right now at about $2.91. So if there is a sufficient amount of buying pressure in the market, great. It would do some consolidating near or just below or just above the current price level, which again is like $2.92. That's good. If it needs to consolidate, that's fine, guys. Just let the market, give the market time. You have the potential, you have the previous level of resistance, $2.91, $2.92, where it is now. But the previous swing low, remember, you look for higher highs and higher lows, right? Let's do the path really quickly and close the video out. Okay, up, down, higher, low, up, high, down, higher, low, up, potential double top, but it did make a higher high. And down is the recent swing low, if you take notes, is $2.72, okay? So, again, let's just summarize the video. Okay, so if the market does continue lower, which maybe it will, I'm not sure if it is. I don't really have a prediction here, but I have to give you the levels. $2.72. Let's just say the market moves a little bit lower, but it goes as low as $2.75. That's still good. It is a higher low in the market, okay? And that's what we look for an uptrend, okay? So $2.75 in kind of the worst case scenario. If it finds support there, that's what we need to see in order for Cardano to continue the overall uptrend. But of course, the buyers will be obligated to at least break above the previous level of resistance, which is $2.92. Make its way, if you're following me on the screen there, I'm just kind of explaining it and going along on the path. Break above that level, find support, and it is well within the trajectory, making its way to the upside, potentially reaching the overhead targets that we explained, $3.58, conservatively speaking. So let's see how this market plays out, guys. I really wish I could just tell you exactly what's going to happen, but I don't have I just don't have that information just yet, okay? I don't think I'll ever have that, guys. I don't have a crystal ball, right? So that is it. You have the short term in terms of what to look for, 275, potential retracement, and then, of course, 292 to just kind of get back, to step back up to the plate, so to speak, to, swing at that ball and then, hit it to the upside. Oh, that's a weird analogy. And then go to the higher level. So that's all I have, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Thank you for dealing with the noise in the background here, in the pool section, actually. Really nice down here in Miami, actually. Also, if you're new, we covered the traditional stocks 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey. And we'll send you that information momentarily. So be sure to take care of yourselves out there. Execute your strategies in the market. Always be kind. Keep that positive energy flowing, of course. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.